Deputy President William Ruto today took his campaign trail to Mount Kenya East, specifically Meru County. Now Ruto, who was accompanied by other elected leaders from the Tanga wing of the Jubilee Party, have castigated proponents of the BBI while pushing the Hustler Nation agenda. George Maringa now reports.
On his one-day tour of Meru County, Deputy President William Ruto descended on Maua Town in Igembe South constituency for a meeting and religious fundraiser. Here, the Deputy President was quick to apologize to Kenyans for the events witnessed in Kenol, Murang'a County a few weeks ago.
Tear gas ilipigwa kanisani, waumini wakapigwa tear gas mahali pengine. Haya ni mambo ambayo mimi nataka kama naibu wa rais kuomba msamaha kwa Wakristo wote Kenya, ya kwamba sio haki tear gas ama waumini kupigwa tear gas na serikali yetu ambayo tuliunda kupitia kwa maombi.
His tour would see him traverse the vast county, leading his delegation to Oro Stadium in Kianjai, Tigania West constituency, and later North Imenti constituency. It is here that the anti-BBI rally continued while the Hustler Nation agenda was pushed forward.
Wanaenda kujifungia wakiongea maneno ya BBI. Tunataka katiba ifuatwe to the letter.
Mbona tubadilishe sheria sababu mtu mmoja hataki kukubali ya kwamba ukishindwa unashindika?
The Hustler Nation narrative is not a narrative of the poor versus the rich. It is a narrative of those who are entitled versus those who are enterprising.
Meru County played host to the last major BBI rally in February before the advent of COVID-19. 8 months later, the political drumbeats come calling.
Na yule ambaye nataka kuhakikishia siku ya leo, akishika wa Meru mkono tutafika mbali, ni rais ambaye unaona hapa, His Excellency the Deputy President.
Ndio tunasema sisi tungetaka haya mambo yarudi kwa watu wenyewe.
Waiandike ikiwa mbio ya kubadilisha katiba ipelekwe pale mbungeni ama wasipeleke through the popular initiative. Na ikikuja tunataka kama wataleta tujue kama ni mambo yetu ama ni watu wawili. We are tired of trying permanently to address issues of a few people, a few tycoons in the country, a few leaders, wakati wananchi wanaendelea kumia.
Mambo ya mamlaka na viongozi na prime minister na deputy prime minister tutaongea baadaye. Kwanza tuanze na kazi ya huyu kijana ambaye hana kazi.
Meru County has in the past been known for voting as a bloc where the Jubilee Party enjoys unanimous support. All eyes will be on the path the region takes ahead of the 2022 polls. George Maringa, KTN News in Meru County.
Staying with politics, youthful politicians from the Western region have launched a movement to promote leadership and economic transformation in the Western Circuit. The initiative, dubbed Magharibi Youth Movement, pulled delegates from the 5 counties of Western region